Hello children, I am going to teach you another writing pattern. Now here there are dots here in this side and here a new writing pattern. It's like waves, okay, wave line we call this, short wave line. Like this. We'll repeat it so many times. Again we'll use another color and like this, right on top of this, and then here another color using different colors and drawing. We are going to the next line. Here, short wave lines. Tracing, then here. So we are using another color. Then later you can draw alone after repeating the same one so many times. Wave lines, waves, it's like waves. Here, another color. Okay, use another color. Right, okay. Now after drawing so many times on top of these wave lines, you can draw alone. Now here I am drawing alone. Okay. Here using another color. Here another one. After tracing, it's easy for you to draw along. Okay, right? Okay, thank you very much children.